Do you like birds? Or how do you feel about birds?
Well, I take a very keen interest in nature, so I love to learn about different species of flora and fauna that are part of the majestic animal kingdom. Birds in particular are truly fascinating creatures. They come in all shapes, size, and colors. They have complex social and mating behaviors that are fun to witness. Bird watching is one of my favorite things to do during the spring. It is the best time if you want to see a lot of different bird types, and it is the egg-laying season.
Have you seen many kinds of birds?
Well, living in the city, birds are a rare sight. Most of the stuff about birds that I have seen is on documentaries of the great outdoors. I have seen some common breeds in real life like pigeons and sparrows, but nothing is too exotic.